Ni hao Taiwan! I'm Dr. Frank. I'm an Irish veterinary surgeon and I'm the founder of Omuu Pet. I created Omuu Pet to help dogs with the 3 most common medical conditions I see every day as a veterinary surgeon: gastrointestinal disease, skin disease, and dental disease. Did you know that 20% of dogs will suffer from an adverse food reaction during their life? So this means that their immune system is reacting to either a food allergen, an environmental allergen, or sometimes a food and environmental allergen at the same time. Now, if your dog does suffer from a food allergy, it means its immune system is reacting to the protein source in that food. So it could be a chicken protein, it could be a beef protein, it could be a soya protein, it could be any protein source. But this is what makes Omuu Pet so unique, because we use insect protein. Now, not only is insect protein super nutritious, it contains more amino acids than chicken breast, more iron than spinach, more calcium than milk, more potassium than bananas, even more vitamin B12 than fish. But it's also a novel protein source. So this is a protein source that your dog's immune system has never met before. And that's perfect for those food allergy cases because it passes through your dog undetected by the immune system. But how do we diagnose a food allergy? Well, the most gold standard way of diagnosing this is through an elimination diet trial. So this entails taking a novel protein source like insect protein like Omuu Pet and feeding the dog a washout period of 12 weeks. Now, the most important thing during these 12 weeks is that you only feed Omuu Pet. You don't feed any other protein source, because following these 12 weeks, we start reintroducing other protein sources like chicken, like beef, like soya, and we start seeing which protein source your dog will react to. Now, what about the environmental allergies? And can Omuu Pet help with those patients? Yes, it can. Omuu Pet contains high omega-3 and high antioxidants, which has a benefit for protecting the skin barrier. Insect protein itself has also been shown to have a benefit for the skin, which is amazing. During this study, they took a certain cohort of dogs and they fed them a chicken protein diet for 50 days. They did a washout period for 7 days and consequently they fed insect protein for a further 50 days. And what they found is the dogs, after the insect protein, had a thicker stratum corneum layer on their skin and they had less water loss. Now, one thing that we might not think about when it comes to skin health is the microbiome, and in particular the gut-skin axis. Omuu Pet contains a unique blend of prebiotic fibres to feed the good bacteria in the gut. But not only that, we went a step further and we performed clinical trials with the University College Veterinary Hospital in Dublin. Now, the results of this trial show that Omuu Pet is as effective as traditional veterinary diets in treating patients with inflammatory bowel disease and with gastroenteritis. So the next time you have a patient with ear infections, they're shaking their head, they're scratching themselves raw, they have recurring anal gland problems, and you're suspicious of an allergy, reach for a bag of Omuu, because this is why it was created, to help dogs from nose to tail. We always say, a happy dog makes a happier human. 谢谢.